gated community villas project near Attapur, Nalanda Nagar. Total 8.3 acres. Gated community, triplex villas. At present, initial groundwork started. Road works here, earth removing works going on. Nearby gated community villas projects, apartments projects nearby, near Attapur, Nalanda Nagar. Total 47 villas, one duplex per clubhouse, inside gym, swimming pool, indoor games, everything, supermarket. The automatically project started already. 10 sales we are closing. Remaining 38 villas per available per sale. Triplex villa, 180 square yards, minimum villa size, 2500 SFT, and 200-300 square yards villas available. 200 square yards, 3000 SFT build up area. 500 square yards, 3500 SFT build up area. This is road work going on. Blacktop road started. This is another road. Inside the road, total 47 villas. Gated community. At present, initial stage. Customer will modify the plan inside the plan. Duration is 1.5 year. Project completion duration is 1.5 year. Bank loan available. Near Medipatnam, Attapur, Nalanda Nagar. Gated community villas project. Here it is site office, site engineer's office. Nearby apartments, villas projects. Those who are looking, interested, duplex, triplex villas in Attapur area. Plan per site visit, and we will show the site. And already this builder completed 11 acres project at Kokotpalli, triplex 4.5 CR, and Patancheru 1 CR villas. 8 acres gated, 2 gated community ventures completed at Patancheru, Kokotpalli area. This is third venture near Attapur, Nalanda Nagar. This is starting the project. We are at initial stage. This is the entrance of the project. This is the route. This is the project. Overall view. Gated community, triplex villas project near Attapur, Nalanda Nagar. Project started. Initial stage. Already bookings, 10 bookings completed. Gated community, nearby villas projects. Total 8.3 acres. Total 47 villas. Triplex villas. 1 villa for clubhouse, banquet hall, gym, indoor games, swimming pool, everything available within that villa. Already Kokotpalli, Patancheru, this builder completed 2 ventures, gated community, triplex villas, ready to occupy. In Attapur, near Medipatnam, Nalanda Nagar, 8.3 acres, new venture started. At present, marking work going on, triplex, duplex villas. Nearby also gated community villas projects we are shown here. These are villas, high tension line up later, and these are apartments. These are villas projects nearby. And at present marking work going on. Steel here dumping and office. This is office, site office, and this is engineer's office. Present marking and road works are started. Minimum villa is 180 square yards. 180 square yards starting, 2600 SFT, triplex villa, later 200, 300, 400 square yards villas, along 3500, 5000 SFT build-up area. Maximum square yards is 5500 square yards, 600 square yards, roughly